Hey everybody, it's Bill Peterson here. I think I told you I'm starting a project. This is going to be for a friend. It's a gift, and I'm going to see what I can do with this old piece of oak. And I'll take you along on that with me. And if you like the channel, share us with your friends and give us a like, and we'll talk to you in the comments. Okay, so there is that little fence post project, or oak project I had. I'm pretty pleased with it. Never done anything like this before. It's just a little box for something to keep some stuff in.